Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.